Good evening, everyone. I'm student meteorologist Amanda Lindquist. Let's go ahead and start out by recapping your Thursday. Today we hit a high of 85 degrees, just slightly above our normal of 82 degrees, but nowhere near that record of 91 degrees. Just last week we were hitting right underneath those 90s, just almost there, but now things are starting to cool off, and we'll see that continue over the next couple of days. Our low temperature also right on par, 56 degrees. Our normal low temperature for this time of year is 57 degrees. Outside at Tallahassee Regional Airport, a comfortable 79 degrees. Our humidity rather low, just 40%. That's due to all this dry air that's moving into our area out of the north. And in fact, you can see our winds are out of the north-northwest at 7 miles per hour. So our current temperatures across the Big Bend, well, Tallahassee is the warm spot right now at 79. Pretty much the rest of our region is looking in the mid-70s. We have Marianna, Gainesville, and Ocala all sitting at 77. Off to our west, 73 in Dothan is the coolest spot you'll find, and there's a 75 over in Crestview. Now, our dew points are a measure of how much moisture there is at the surface. So our dew points are very far away from our temperature. What does that mean? That means dry air. That's what's giving us that really low relative humidity. Our dew points are also a good indication of our overnight low temperatures. So right now, current dew points, well, right here is the cold front. You can see it. Lower dew points, which means dry air back up to our west, and of course the air just slightly moist back down towards the southeast. Now, this is what it looks like in the upper to mid levels of our atmosphere. All of this orange right here is dry air, and in fact, that dry air is shearing Tropical Storm Paula. As you can see, the clouds are beginning to elongate. Tropical Storm Paula expected to become a depression by the time we wake up to tomorrow morning. Now, Marathon, Florida saw over 8 inches of rain and counting over the last 2 days. So I'm sure they'll be glad that that dry air will be making it down to them over the next few days as well. Satellite radar. Clear Rio State over Tallahassee. No rain to be found except well to our south and well off to our east. We will see that continue. There is no rain in our near future that we can expect, so that's great news, especially for Parents' Weekend this weekend. Let's go ahead and take a look at what that looks like. Clear conditions tonight as this cold front moves through. Back off to our northwest, here's that high pressure coming in, bringing all of this dry air out of the north, giving us below average temperatures for tomorrow. In fact, we are only expected to hit 80 degrees here in Tallahassee. Overnight, however, we will be in the mid-40s, mostly clear skies, but also really chilly. So make sure that you grab a jacket if you're heading out, because by the time you come back home, you may be needing that jacket. As you'll notice, the air is just a little chillier. Again, tomorrow, 80 degrees, sunny skies. I bet you in the shade we won't quite hit that 80 degrees. So just a gorgeous day tomorrow, slightly below average temperatures once again. Now let's go ahead and take a look at that 7-day forecast. There's that game on Saturday against Boston College. Kickoff is at noon. We'll be reaching a high of 81 degrees with overnight lows in the mid-40s. Oh, there's a 42 this weekend. It's going to be downright chilly. And as we move on into the next early part of next week, we'll be in the mid-80s. 84 is looking to be our highest temperature on both Monday and Thursday, and just a slight chance of rain for Tuesday and Thursday. All right, I'm student meteorologist Amanda Lindquist. Thanks for joining us, and have a wonderful night.